Welcome to Devices Help and Support, your ultimate destination for all things related to devices setup, troubleshooting, and optimizing your tech experience. In this video, we'll walk you through the step-by-step process for the TP-Link RE220 setup installation. Whether you're looking to eliminate dead zones or boost your signal strength, the TP-Link RE220 has you covered. Stay tuned as we dive into the setup process and unleash the full potential of your home network. Let's get started. Before the setup process, we'll also provide you the WPS button installation after the TP-Link RE220 setup via browser. Installing the TP-Link RE220 Wi-Fi extender using the convenient WPS button method is quite simple. Say goodbye to complicated setup processes and hello to extended Wi-Fi coverage in just a few simple steps. Now let's jump right in. Firstly, position your RE220 Wi-Fi extender in an area with a strong Wi-Fi signal from your router, ensuring it covers areas requiring enhanced coverage. Now, wait for the power LED to illuminate. Access the Wi-Fi settings on your tablet or laptop and connect to the network labeled TP-Link_extender. Then open a web browser and type either tplinkrepeater.net or 192.168.0.254 into the address bar, then press enter. Once you reach the tplinkrepeater.net page, log in using the default username and password admin. If you've changed these before, use your custom login details. If necessary, you can set a new password. Then, continue with the setup wizard to configure your TP-Link RE220 extender. Now, select a network name, SSID, and password for your extended network, which you'll use to connect devices to the TP-Link RE220 Wi-Fi repeater. And also on this page, you can customize the SSID. The TP-Link RE220 extender will now restart to apply the changes. You can now connect to the TP-Link Wi-Fi extender and adjust its placement if necessary. Make sure every step is taken carefully in order to install TP-Link RE220 repeater setup. Now, let's proceed with the TP-Link RE220 installation using the WPS button method. So at first, press the WPS button on your TP-Link RE220 extender. Then press the WPS button on your router within 2 minutes. Wait for the WPS LED on the extender to turn solid, indicating a successful connection, meaning a successful TP-Link RE220 setup.